So you clicked on this video because you want to have friends, to have that friend group of 4 like Carrie in Sex and the City, and basically any movie, TV series, and even cartoons that we watch, the main character always have friends. Someone to have their back, to go on an adventure with, even open a business. And that's why we grow up in a delusion that we need friends. Don't misunderstand me, having friends is nice, but you don't need them in order to be happy. And this is coming from someone who for years was asking Santa at 12 o'clock to give her friends. He never did though. You have to understand that you can't control other people. Therefore, whether you have friends or not, it's mostly beyond your control. You can't force them to be friends with you, but you can make them want to be friends with you. You can control yourself. You can upgrade yourself to the level where everyone would dream to be friends with you. People will come to you, and all you have to do is stay still and just pick. So, how to be that person? Hi guys, my name is Sue Fally and welcome to my channel. First of all you have to do is become a friend you wished for. If you wish to have a friend that would be there at 4 a.m. just by one call, you have to do the same. If you want kind, generous, caring person, you have to become one too. And then when you know what kind of friend do you want, and when you adopted those traits of a good friend, that's the time to raise your value. You see, no one wants to be friends with losers. Even if you are a good friend, a good person, but you still have nothing going on for you. You sit at home all day, you don't have a job, you are broke, you are not interesting, you don't talk to people, you have no hobbies, no interests, you don't even like yourself. Why would other people care for you? Tell me. Sorry if that sounds too harsh, but that's the truth. There is no unconditional friendship. Relationship between people, it's all about giving and taking, and if you have nothing to give, why would other people care for you? So you won't find here advices like make eye contact, smile to people, give them compliments. In this video we will work on increasing your value so you would have something to give to others, so people would want to be friends with you. Believe me, when you will increase your self-worth, people will come for you. They will think, wow, she's so powerful, wow, she's so beautiful, wow, she's so smart, so talented. I want to be by her side. Because being friends with you now is a privilege. Now you're not the one asking for friendship, being desperate, because you made the life around you so beautiful that everyone thinks that being friends with you is a gift. That's the goal we have, not to just attract people, but to create a beautiful, amazing, exciting life for you. To create such a beautiful life where you don't chase other people, but they're attracted to you. So we have to start with basics. The first base is your appearance. It's how you look. People want to be friends with healthy, good-looking people. And if you tell me that, Sue, I can't be beautiful because I was born ugly, in 2024, that's just an excuse. Anyone can earn money, go to the cosmetologist, even do the surgery if it's needed. All you need is money. And if you don't have money, then why are you even caring about making friends? Go and earn money first. The point is to look the best you can, not to be a supermodel. In order to be healthy, in the first place, it's your nutrition, it's what you eat. The goal is to eat clean, healthy food. The perfect plan would be go to the laboratory, check your blood on allergies to food, and they will give you the list of products that you have allergies to, and you don't even know. Maybe you eat them on a daily basis, and that's why you feel bloated, you have no energy, you feel low. Because I can advise you to eat eggs in the morning because that's healthy, but maybe you have allergy to eggs, which is really common thing, and when you will eat it, you will feel yourself low, you will be bloated, but you won't find a reason of your condition because all you eat is actually healthy, but it's not healthy for you. But of course I understand that that's a pricey checkup, but it's really good investment in yourself, in your health. So let's just stick to the basics. It's eating clean, no sugar, no sweets, lots of vegetables, greens. When it comes to fruits, don't eat that much because you don't need lots of fructose. Also, protein is really good for your muscles, hair and skin condition. I'm not a huge fan of carbs and fats. For carbs you can take rice, potato, pasta. And for fats I just eat a little bit of nuts, and that's enough for me. Just go to the Pinterest, Google healthy food, and you will have lots of pictures that will show you properly how to eat. Screen them, save them, and when you go and do grocery shopping, just open your phone, look at the pictures and buy your food. And of course, drinking lots of water. I have my personal life hack. I guess I read it in a book, Atomic Habits. So I just buy 5 bottles of water and I put it everywhere that I spend most time. So there's a bottle of water on my table, on my sofa, on my bed, in my wardrobe, even in my car. So when I see the bottle, I just basically grab it and drink it. It's already a habit. That's how you stay hydrated all the time. Sleeping is also very important. I personally struggled with insomnia for years. I never tried sleeping pills. I can't say that taking magnesium is the best choice, but I'm not a doctor, I'm just talking from my personal experience. That's why you need consultation before taking any supplement, because right now it's so popular in internet, especially in TikTok, to suggest different vitamins and supplements, but it can be dangerous for your health, because other people taking vitamins doesn't mean that you need them. And maybe you heard that taking vitamin D is really good for your health, but did you know that you can actually overdose yourself with vitamin D? So before taking any supplement, any vitamin, before listening to other people's advices, go to the doctor and check your personal amount of vitamins. Keep your body fit and strong. Go to the gym, Pilates, dancing classes, run in the morning, basically any physical activity, even if it's just walking. I would personally recommend going to the gym and buying a personal trainer, because these people are actually qualified in building your body, not to destroy it. And most of people you see at the gym, they look healthy, but they're actually destroying their health, their bones, their muscles, their back, and are causing lots of problems with their health. So it's always a good decision to have someone qualified around you. Even if it's just for 1 month, learn the basics, learn how to do the exercises properly, and then go on your own. You have to always look good. It doesn't matter what your situation is. You have to look like you're already successful. Forget about the words "I will wear it when." You will wear it today. Even if you go through the shittiest period of your life, no one's gonna know if you're all dressed up, wearing heels, makeup, beautiful dresses. Don't let people know that you're broke. I promise you, there's so many advantages when people just consider you rich. And of course, don't forget about the beauty of your heart. The more innocent it is, the more beautiful you look. The more good, bright thoughts and intentions are in your heart, the more your eyes will sparkle. And it's not for nothing that people say the eyes are the mirror of the soul. You must try to eliminate negativity from your life, to program your consciousness and give it a good, positive attitude towards life. Personally, I don't allow bad thoughts in my head. I try not to think badly of people, not to gossip, not to feel envy. Of course, at first, it's really hard to not to feel these feelings at all, but I promise you, if you just start, it would get easier and easier. The third basic is your work. You must be a professional in some field, have a career, job, business, and actually have a goal. Even if you're at the very bottom, if you know where to go, you're already higher than most of people that achieved little successes and just stopped. When you first take on any business, it little by little catches itself with more significant things, and before you know, your little lemonade stand turns into a supermarket. So start at least something where you are with what you have. It doesn't have to be something big. Even if we read biography of great people, they all started small, but we tend to forget it and think that they already were born successful, when in reality most of them were waitresses, dishwashers, even homeless. You have to love yourself, be confident, and feel that you are worthy of everything in this world just because you were born with no reason, no achievements. You deserve a good environment, a good circle of friends, a loving, caring people around you who value friendship with you just because you are you. But at the same time, you should keep it in your mind that your life is never about other people. They can come, they can go, they can break your heart, they can give you butterflies, but at the end of the day, you always have only yourself. And maybe right now you feel extremely lonely when it feels that everyone, even God, turned his back on you, but promise you that's not the truth. Even if you have no one in your life, you still have God, you have your angels, you have you for you, and that should be enough. If you act out of desperate energy, you will always be miserable by the end, and it's really scary. Scary to make friends with bad people, scary to share your secrets with the wrong ones, scary to get married with a guy you're not really in love with, but you think that that's the best choice you will have. I always say to myself, and you should too, the words of Amar Khayyam: you better starve than eat whatever, you better be alone than with whoever. Work on your feminine energy, strive for harmony, positivity, fullness. It feels like gardens are blooming inside, the birds are singing, and the waterfall of abundance are flowing. And then when you will be able to find peace in yourself and happiness, other people will be drawn to you like fireflies to the light. And so you won't tell me that Susan left you with nothing. I will give you the exact practice that will help you to make friends. Basically, it's the law of attraction, but we are not attracting the things, the occasions, we will attract people. It can be a specific person, it can be just in general friends, as we want. So all you have to do is to imagine in your head the scene of you with friends or with that specific person. Just imagine how you talk to them, spend your time, and try to feel the feeling. So how it feels to finally have friends, how it feels to finally be friends with that specific person that you are dreaming about. The most important thing is just to feel the feeling. So you can do this practice 3-5 times per day, just for a minute or two. And I promise you, your reality will align with your feelings. You just need time. So by feeling and changing yourself, you will change the reality around you. You will become the author of your life. The woman who knows what she wants, the woman with right values and points of view. And then anywhere you go, you will never be alone.